guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Tiandra Oriana, and today we're going to be using hair from Jessicahair. It is a full lace unit and it is 18 inches. I'm just showing you what the box looks like and what it comes with. And yeah, there's a little information right there before I pull the hair out, and I'm going a little too slow. But yeah, I'm pulling the hair out right here, showing you the curl pattern. I don't remember what the curl is, like the texture of it, but it's like, it's not a kinky curly wig, it's like a, I don't know, like a water wave or something. But yeah, it has a comb in the back, adjustable straps, and 3 combs in the front. And like I said, this wig is a full lace, which means there is no tracks at all. It is just lace. And I'm showing you that the wig is pre-plucked, as you can see, and showing you how the lace looks on my skin. And I'm going to be using blue bleach, some 30 developer to give me this ombre effect that you guys seen when you clicked on the video. So I'm going to detangle the hair, because that is what you need to do. If you are doing anything to the hair, make sure you detangle it. It will make the process so much easier with putting any type of bleach or dye to the hair. So I'm going to start off at the ends and I'm going to work my way up. And as I apply bleach, I comb through the hair, whether it's with this rat tooth comb or a wide tooth comb. In my opinion, I feel like it just coats every strand of hair, and it also makes it not so tangly. Like, that'll happen when you add a bunch of like dye or bleach to hair, it'll get all like tangled. So I just feel like it helps, and then it gets through every strand so you don't have any dark spots. So as I work my way up, I'm going to feather it, and that gives you that ombre effect with keeping your dark roots. And yeah, that's what I do. So when I have something else to tell y'all, I will come right back. Enjoy. So I honestly don't know why I decided to add foil when I was done with each section of the hair. It honestly made it really hard for me to tell where I stopped putting the bleach at on each section. So I wouldn't really recommend it. I mean, you can do it if you want, but I ended up taking it out because it just made it difficult to tell where I needed to stop when I was putting the bleach down. So right here, I'm just doing my little touch-ups before I wrap the hair up in bleach. I'm trying to like align the ombre effect so it's like not uneven, you know, once the bleach is done processing the hair. And yeah, that's what I do. I add a little more bleach even towards the ends of the hair, and then I'm just gonna wrap that up in foil for about 25 minutes. As you can see, this is how the hair is looking exactly after 25 minutes, and it's already like a brown color, but I decided that I wanted it to be like, you know, a little lighter brown. So I make a fresh batch of blue bleach, and I just put that throughout the hair, and I'm gonna wrap it again in some foil, and I'm gonna let it sit for another 25 minutes exactly. So of course, off camera, I bleached the knots. I would do a separate video of me like getting into detail about bleaching the knots. And then I also plucked it. Like I said, I'll do another video separately on how to do that. And this is how the hair looks after it is detangled and it's dry. And then the next clip is the hair after I wet it and, you know, brush it out and let it air dry. But yeah, this is the video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye guys.